up here. They're fully back there, somewhere there. But I feel like they're gonna come back.
Yeah, me too.
This is just a quick video.
But we need to climb uphill to escape the terrorizing.
I'm gonna finish this video even though the battery is low. But yeah.
If you like this video, please.
Yeah, this is actually really tiring.
I know.
I put my hat in my backpack.
And also, if we're sorry if it was like half of the time the school was dark, and you put it in the backpack.
And also, if you guys think this is fake,
Oh,
actually, looks like snow. Oh yeah, we aren't gonna go back. Oh, we're gonna walk down.
Whoa! Stop! Wait!
Oh,
stop.
it's beautiful.
I don't see Jaden anymore. I don't see him.
Guys, I think
Let's
we
go
can
charge
down. Holy shit! Holy shit, that was fast. Oh,
I think Jaden's hiding somewhere.
yeah. Okay, I only have 10 batteries left. You. Ah, window's tiring.
But
Wow. So if you don't have that much
please
battery
comment and
left,
subscribe.
before your outro. Part 4, this is nature part 4, number 01. And 02 is gonna finish it. But that will be on another day probably. So like the place we'll be at is different, but it's gonna be at our school. So yeah.
It'll be down.
Peace out, bye, Debbie. Okay, don't forget to like, subscribe, share,
Turn on
and
commentations.
do a view. Cause when this video comes out, it's gonna be about 5 hours late. So yeah, bye.